Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm going to show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up,
y'all. Welcome back to That Family 5 channel. We're going to be doing some deep cleaning of this closet. I am not going to take out everything. What I'm actually going to be doing is sifting through things and pulling out what is too big for me, and seeing if I want to keep it. It is still wintertime here in Virginia, whatever you want to call it. Virginia is that state where you wait 5 minutes and it changes, right? So trying to debate on if I'm going to get rid of the stuff or if I'm going to just hold on to it for a while. I am slightly hungry. Bam, that's what I want. And I want to get my chicken wings from out of the freezer to put in the air fryer while we're taking care of that closet. Let me show y'all my chicken wings. So we get these from Costco. They are not breaded. They're actually naked, right? They're naked and they taste so good. They call the Foster Farms Takeout Crispy Wings. There's no bread. There's no bread on them at all. Let me show y'all. If any carbohydrates is 4, protein is 12. About 9 3-ounce edible portions, so I can eat about 2.5 of the drumettes and 2 to 3 of the wings of the flats. So yeah, it tells you how to cook it up in the no, it don't. I normally just put these into the into the air fryer for about 8 to 10 minutes or so. I don't plan on being in this only because I don't want to be. I want this to literally be a dirty 30. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to put the stuff in the air fryer real quick, and then after that we're gonna get started on this closet. Thank you so much for coming to our channel. My name is Atoya. My husband's name is Douglas, hence That Family 5. We have 3 girls. On this channel we do cleaning motivations, reviews, DIYs, and we do any household shenanigans that any family does. So let me show y'all how to use this Power XL air fryer real quick so I can get my snack going. Okay, hold on.
just be honest, I've been in my bed. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you might as well. I got ahead of myself.
So this is a real quick chit chat with my sleeve journey. I am down my 100 pounds that I wanted to be before my birthday, but it's what it is 6 days after my birthday. Is Thursday, January 6th, and so I am ecstatic that I made my 100-pound mark. We are trying to get to, my goal is to be under 250. That's it. And I know that sounds like a small goal, but from my highest weight, we weighed years before. Y'all gotta remember, I got up to 565, okay? So my body's gonna have a hard time coming back down. If I go any lower than 250, we'll see. But the way I like to eat, even though I have this thing, you know, it is what it is. I started out at 411, so I am now at 311. Praise the Lord. 6 months, almost 7 months after my surgery. And so the goal is to get to 250. So let's go ahead and put these chicken wings in this joint here. and then we get started on this thing. I want to thank y'all so much for coming with us today to clean this closet. I will link the eye in the sky right here. The last time I did it, because that was a fun time with y'all. I don't do it that often because it's a very, very, very heavy decision, fatiguing job for me to declutter and try to get rid of things. So that's why. Like, that's why. So it's harder for me. It's harder for me to do a lot of things, but all together, because I get this decision fatigue. And I learned that from marriage and motherhood. Thank you, Gia, for that information. Because I didn't know what it was. Like, if you get really overwhelmed, you have a hard time making decisions, it's literally called decision fatigue. You get tired of making decisions. Like, anybody can go through that. Like, just if you are like the main person in the house making all the decisions for all the bills and any decisions that got to be made, you get this. I don't want to make no more decisions. I'm tired of making decisions. Literally, decision fatigue. So, that's what we're doing. Now let me get off my my soapbox and let's do this chicken real quick.
It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Now don't rush. It's a little crush.
Yorkie boo. Hey girl. Hey, you having fun? You having fun? Come here. Yeah. Come here. Hey girl. Come here. Hey Yorkie. Hey girl.
It's gonna be, baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team.
Hey you guys, don't forget that this is a collab with Small Town 6 and a number of other ladies doing healthy meals. My healthy meal is my air fried naked chicken with some green beans. Something simple, something easy, something that really shouldn't take that much time. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this content. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you watch it all the way through because it helps my channel a lot. And make sure that you comment also below who you are and where you're from, because I really, really, really do love talking with y'all.
Now it's all love. I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger.
to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Matter from now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it. 'Cause everything will matter from now on. 'Cause it's high tide. I can hear the sound, and I know that it's alarming. Yeah. 'Cause time is running out, and we can't just stay and watch it. No. Oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it.
Hey you guys, and I'm back. So I have did a pretty much a power hour. I said I was gonna do a 30-30, but yes, this girl had to eat. That's one thing about this daggone sleeve procedure. If I don't eat, either I get headaches or I get nauseous. But I finished cleaning the down part of the coat closet when you first come in. I'm in the middle of the foyer. And then after that, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like up on the bottom, up top and bottom. And then, yeah. So y'all see this big old pile? We got things to do, y'all. We got things to do, okay? Y'all be blessed. Let's go ahead and get these after shots. And as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We love you guys, and we will see y'all in
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate